Hello and thank you for viewing my video of the Suzuki Swift. This has done 87,000 miles, but it's got a full service history with it. Never missed a service. The lady that owned it had always had it serviced at the same time as the MOT, I believe. So it's been very well maintained. It drives like a brand new car, and surprisingly and quite importantly, it's got nice cold air conditioning. Really nice stereo, clutch is excellent, no issues, no accidents, nice alloys and nice tyres on there. I like this colour, and for the price I think it's great value for money, because it should last a good few years without any major problems. It's also got a timing chain, and that's all nice and quiet, so you don't have to change any belts or anything. So looks great, drives great. It's got 2 keys, keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key near you, press the button to get yourself in, and Bob's your uncle. Yeah, well, thank you very much for viewing. Hope to see you soon.